All right, super excited today. I ordered these lathe quick change tool post from Germany like way back in February. It's been on back order forever, but the company's called PeWeTools. Probably got shipped from Pee Wee's Playhouse over there in Germany. That's what I anticipate. Anyways, see what's in the box here. These are some carbide inserts for the cutoff blade, it looks like. And here's a cutoff blade. The cutoff blade's probably high-speed steel. And then this one here probably holds those little inserts. So it must be you can use one or the other, I assume. I guess we'll find out. This is the tool post that goes on the lathe. A big bolt goes through the center. And I probably have to drill and tap a hole at my cross slide on my lathe to hold it. See what this one is. Oh, this is where the cutoff blade goes in here. And the whole idea behind this system there we go. So this is permanently mounted on the cross slide, and then this is the quick change part. You adjust the screw up and down to set your tool height to the center of your round piece you're turning. And you only have to set that once, then they go on and off. Very cool setup. Let's see what this one is. Same thing. The adjuster screws separately in this box. I'll have to put that in there. But yep, slides right on there like that. This particular one is slotted for a lathe tool bit. Hang on a second, I got one. So yep, you just put your set screws in there, tighten it down, put it in your quick change, and then this adjuster will set your height to your round piece you're turning. That way you don't have to worry about all these shims and stuff in here. It's what makes this whole system so nice. I think I ordered 3 of these. So that's those 3. These are the 165s. I've got 2 of these, looks like. These are slotted. They also have a V-notch. So if you want to put something round in there, like a boring bar or something, gives you a little more leeway. I didn't remember ordering 2 of these, so I'm going to look real quick. Yep, exact same thing. I'll have to look at that. I don't remember ordering 2 of those. And this last one should be a for 5/8 boring bar. Yeah, this one's square too. Now you have two for boring bars, which is that V-notch in there. I guess I assume those were round and you'd put your boring bar into a round hole, which is not the case. It's a little V-notch. I'm sure it works fine. And I had 4 of those square ones. Thought I ordered 3. Okay. Everything definitely matches what I ordered. Nice, pretty nice wrench. And this is for tightening down the set screws. So this is for those set screws. And this wrench is to tighten down the quick change. Alright, super excited about this. I've been waiting forever. This system seems to be really sweet. The only reason I ordered it, because I like the contrasting colors. Just kidding. This is really exciting. I cannot wait to get it on the lathe. The stock ones, if anybody knows anything about lathes, you always get this one here that you can put a couple tool bits and rotate it around 180. But there's no adjustment at all. Again, that lathe bit goes in here, and you always have to shim it. You always have to shim it to get to the center of your round piece. This quick change is going to make that a lot easier. So yeah, I'm going to have to pull this off, get this on there. Super excited. I have the same thing for my CNC lathe over here. Smaller. This system here. This one grabs by these 2 points. This one here is a dovetail, and it's got a little plunger. When you rotate this, a cam action moves that plunger in and out, which holds pressure against this to hold it. Not a fan of that. I haven't used this yet. Some people say they work good. I just can't believe that I can't believe that pressure is actually going to hold that thing very well. You can see it moving in and out. Compared to this system, which grabs these 2 points and yanks it right into this. Much nicer, but way more expensive too. Same thing with this system. Got some square ones. Here's one for the cutoff blade. And then this one has a round hole through it for a boring bar, which is what I thought I had with the other system. And that system will go on the CNC lathe that I have. It'll replace this piece right here. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Again, I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this thing for like 7 months. Take care.